Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. Introducing the 2019 model Volkswagen Golf MK7 Match that is fresh in stock and just come complemented in the modernised deep black pearl paintwork, really giving it that sporty edge. Complete with your 1 litre TSI engine and efficient automatic transmission, it is the ideal nippy city upgrade for any individual. Top features do include enhanced visibility with your auto LED daytime running headlights alongside your 16-inch alloys. You do have further protection with your parking sensors and a power folding wing mirrors. The boot offers plenty of space for your day-to-day items, whilst the full cloth interior enhances comfort with your handy pull-down armrest and central climate vents. The front does house your multifunctional leather steering wheel for added driver convenience, with access to your central touch display screen. Just opposite again, you do have a full cloth trim to ensure all travelling passengers are comfortable, followed by seamless navigation around the vehicle with your mounted audio controls, and of course your options to navigate around your digital cockpit, including your adaptive cruise control to keep you a safer distance. Moving across, you do have access to your variation of radio stations for endless entertainment, alongside your app Connect with your MirrorLink, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. And for those who love to explore, you even have your built-in navigation system equipped with your points of interest. Alongside your on-screen vehicle status, you do even have your front and rear sensors to assist in those awkward manoeuvres. Following it just below by your main climate controls with a hidden storage pocket and charging power outlets, you do have your central cup holders and storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.